Guys, welcome back to channel once again. In this video, we are going to discuss the trending topics about the AI tools, right? There've been like many tools on trending like Dalle2, OpenAI Chat GPT3, and Lensa. These are the different tools many people been using, and some of people were saying that Google killer, assignment solver, and people were using it for multiple purposes. So in this video, the main agenda of this video to discuss what are these tools and how we can get the access. After that, how we can test it out these tools in the real time practical experiment. Fourth, I will share my experience. This is completely important part of this video. And fifth, what is the takeaway from this video or takeaway from these tools? And let's get started with the first tool, OpenAI DALI E2, the art generator and the artist killer. Let's get started with the first tool. So here it is completely DALI E2. You can search for the OpenAI DALI E2. You can sign up with your Google account or some other email password, and there you can get this window where these are the artwork generated by the community, being the top art. So it is the keyword, the prompt, whatever the set of keywords you are giving to the AI model, it's called prompt. So if I say a cat sitting on spaceship, something like that, you'll be having some sort of weird thoughts in your mind, right? So it will segregate, bisect that words into different words, and it will combine all that layer to a single picture. So it will generate you a picture in no meantime less than 10 to 15 seconds based on your network speed. So these are the previous generations I made. So this is one of the generation I made for the one of the case study for the LinkedIn. It can paint like Picasso. It can paint like the historic and the greatest painters. So that's one of the biggest thing about DALI E2. So see that it understood what is cat, right? It understood what is ship, and it even understand the standing or sitting. So it's all about DALI E2. Now let's move to Lensa, the advanced art creator. So you can download it on Play Store or App Store. It is completely paid application. So here I'm not going to generate any sort of artwork because I already generated. It's a paid application where you need to select 20 photos of you, which is very close shots, where for the reference and to train that AI model. After that, it will generate these kind of images here. So with that given inputs, whatever the 20 photos you given, on the based of that dimensions of your faces and the key data points, it will generate the data artwork in 2 to 4 hours, depends on the speed, network speed. So it's about the Lensa, so advanced AI art generator. So the core functions about the chat GPT-3, its power to remember the memory. It has that memory power where if I type 10 messages, even if I ask for the 11th message, it can recollect the first message and give it answer based on that. So it can write scripts, it can write blogs, it can write emails better than Google and better than anyone. It can even solve your assignments. So some of the things, let's get started with the writing blog. So now comes the important tool. It is called Chat GPT-3. Use it for writing blogs, writing articles, writing cold emails, even writing for some sort of script, code, everything. I'll just reset the code, and here we'll just ask Chat GPT to write a blog or article. Write a article on Charminar. We love Charminar. So it's one of the historic monument in Hyderabad. So it followed the complete structure from the history to the present, what exactly specialty of that monument, everything. So we'll just ask to write a script on two cute little puppies, movie script. Write a tool. And I've been using this tool for creating captions, creating blogs, creating articles, and writing some sort of cold emails, applying for some sort of application for demo testing. And one of the thing I will share it in my experience section where it's not working. So here, so it started writing entire script for me where I just need to go into action and start taking that shots, right? And you can even ask some sort of code creating some sort of code. There have been some sort of limitations, but still it is one of the great tool, and it also solves bugs and spot bugs. Coming to my experience, I use these tools for generating some sort of write blogs, captions, emails, applications, and whatnot, case studies, everything for few of the companies. So I went to some sort of community groups and just dropped. I just wanted to write three free blogs for you. If there is anyone interested, do let me know. And I got the work from seven companies, and I wrote blogs for them, the company blogs and article blogs for them. And you know what? Not even a single guy, not even a single founder or employee noticed that it is written by some sort of third party application, something like that. They thought it is very tuned blogs, which is SEO optimized, which is completely human tone, and many of the factors were there. And they were so much impressed. So I've been using this tool, been so fascinating. I've been playing around day and night 24 into 7, creating some sort of content around it. And coming to the takeaway, what is the big takeaway from this thing? So it's not about the what is AI is going to do in future, but it's about the AI what is it's going to provide for the humans. In future, it is going to be an assistant or companion. It will develop your creativity, productivity, and as a companion. Not it will take up your some sort of job. Definitely, it will take out most of the fresh level jobs or fresher level jobs, something like that. But most of the way it will help as an assistant, as a companion to level up the productivity for the humans. And one big thing you need to learn from this, you need to start questioning, you need to start prompt engineering. It's all about how you ask system what you want. So that's it for today, and let's get back to another topic in next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Karthik, signing off.